Hey guys, it's Joker Stream, and we're back for another cosplay tutorial. If you're one of the 95% of people watching this channel right now who aren't subscribed yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're growing fast, and turning on notifications genuinely helps us keep making content like this. We appreciate you being here. Now let's dive into this Phoenix Joker cosplay. Starting off with the base, we've got the forehead, cheeks, and chin. This is Phoenix Joker, so we're laying down the groundwork before any of the color comes in. Everything after this builds on top of what I'm doing right now. It's not difficult painting your face white, but you just want to make sure that you do the best job that you can. Not leaving any open spaces, not leaving any colors that don't blend in, especially as you start to get into shading later on down the road. And we're off. Now bringing in the blue around the eyes. These triangle shapes are a signature part of the Phoenix Joker look. Left side dips down a little farther than the right. That's just how this design is supposed to look. It's not a mistake. That adds to the chaos that is Phoenix Joker. Are you doing Joaquin Phoenix cosplay? I don't know. Despite the makeup, I'm not clowning around. Okay, I'm not clowning around. Focusing in on the red across the nose now, this is where the face really starts to take shape. You can already start seeing Phoenix Joker coming together. All of these colors were from a kit that I purchased that was designed to mirror what was seen in the movie. This cosplay I haven't done for you guys in a very, very, very long time. And I thought that it would be fast and easy. News flash. It is not fast and easy. Back to the white, filling in the rest of the face and working in tighter around the eyes. This part's a grind, but it's got to be clean. Now moving back to the red eyebrows, I'm peeling back the white, which honestly back then is a mistake. I use white now as a base all across my face. What I would do in this situation now is I would just put the red eyebrows over the white. You'll have colors mix initially, but if you keep adding on, eventually it will become that red. Why do I do this? Because it helps when you go to clean your face off, so you don't have stains, because the darker colors like the reds and the blues have a tendency to stain your skin a little bit more. And if you have that white base layer down, it makes it easier when you're cleaning it off. Awesome makeup skills. Yo, thank you so much. LOL. Back to the white again, building out the forehead and tightening up around the eyes. This is the part where it all is really starting to come together. Even if it feels like I'm redoing some of the same spots over and over, we're almost there. With all of the gaps filled in and that iconic smile, the bright red with one side kind of sticking up while the other side goes flat, is Phoenix Joker. You can see through the chaos and how everything has come together that this is exactly where we wanted to land. I love this cosplay. Again, I love doing it on stream. Chat always got a kick out of it. We had a really, really big night. You should dye your hair green, Joker. You should keep your ideas to yourself. I would never. I've painted my hair green a few times, bro, and it is such a pain in the neck. I go and get naked. That's the cosplay. Let's go, Chet! Please, if you like this content, make sure you smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. I would love to hear your feedback and everything that you got out of this, as well as your criticism. Thank you again for being here. Down, guys, stop! Guys, please, come on, stop! Thank you. Go away. We're trying to show the chat. Yo, Teen Wolf here. If you guys like that content and you want to watch more like it, click right here. And if you want to watch the whole video, click right here.